Hello everyone and welcome to our tutorial on Excel. Now this session is about how to get external data from a web page. This is one of those most important aspects in Excel. As you know, you can create or run a web query to retrieve text or data from a web page. Web pages often contain information that is perfect for analysis in Excel. Depending on your needs, you can retrieve data that is refreshable. That is, you can update the data in Excel with the latest data on the web page, or you can retrieve data from a web page and keep it static on the worksheet. Now, learning more about getting external data from a web page, you can use a web query to retrieve refreshable data that is stored on your intranet or the internet, such as single table, multiple tables, etc. This can also apply to figures and any other data. Then you can analyze the data by using various tools as required. Let's move on to how to get it in a particular website. Now, moving on to this particular sheet, click on the data sheet, and inside that there's a button called From Web. Click on From Web and enter the particular site that you need. Now, I am a big fan of bscindia.com, so let's look at that. Once you enter the data, press Go. As you can see, there are a lot of tabs over here. You're going to click Markets, and this has most of the real life data available on the market presently, and then you click on Equity. So as you can see, there are little yellow arrows next to each table. So what this means is, if you click that arrow, that entire table gets selected. So when you're clicking this particular yellow arrow, that entire table with all its data values gets selected. Now once you click that arrow, there's a green tick mark to show that it's been selected. Now click on the import button, and they'll ask you which cell to paste it to. Now you're setting it to A1. Click OK. It'll take some time usually, and you get all the data. This is basically live data. Now once you get this data from the website, you can use whichever tools are required as such to analyze. Now there's a tab called Refresh All, using which you can keep on updating it. Now, apart from doing this manually, there is another way in which we can refresh and get live data from the website. That is, clicking on the same data tab and then clicking on particular properties. Once you click on properties, a lot of data will come, asking us to checkboxes will come. Once there's something called refresh every 60 minutes. Now you can select whatever time period you want. I select, let's say 5 minutes, and then I click OK. Now what happens is, in every 5 minutes, this data gets automatically updated. So this is how live data is taken from the web and used to analyze our positions, especially in the shareholder market.